Some gear has revolutionized the way we approach camping cooking, making it more convenient than ever before. From a convenient stove to a multi-purpose pot, these innovations have made camping cooking quite easy. So here in this video, we've compiled the 10 next-level camping cooking gear. Enjoy! Starting with the Searsall Pro, a revolutionary gear designed to make cooking more convenient on the go. With this, you can shape and moderate the torch flame to make it indefinitely more cooking and flavor friendly. This camping cooking gear is especially useful because it eliminates torch waste by forcing the torch's flame through 2 layers of fine. Additionally, it spreads out the heat super evenly with its new patent-pending palladium-coated conical inner screen. Moreover, the Searsall Pro is easier on your wrist due to its improved face angle. You don't have to worry about straining your wrist while using it, which is a common issue with other blowtorch attachments. You can effortlessly crisp poultry skin and brown scallops, finish shrimp without overcooking them, and even melt cheese on burgers. The Fireflow Camping Stove is another camping gear for any enthusiast looking to cook a delicious meal while spending time outdoors. Its excellent airflow system ensures efficient use of thermal energy for cooking, making it perfect for prepared meals on the go. Made of high-quality stainless steel 304, the gear is incredibly sturdy, making it ideal for outdoor use. It comes with a complete kit that includes everything you need to cook a meal in the great outdoors. The set consists of a stove, a pot, and a pan, a bag for safekeeping, folding cutlery, and a small bag to carry everything in. The whole set folds into pots for easy transportation, making it a convenient and practical choice for campers. Want to have a mouth-watering grilled chicken during camping? That too without gas or electricity? Then check out the RotoQ 360 rotating rotisserie. Weighing in at just 5.5 pounds, it is incredibly portable and easy to fit into any backpack. So whether you're camping through the woods or by the lake, this self-rotating rotisserie will be your perfect camping companion. What's more, the RotoQ doesn't require any electricity, gas, or batteries to operate. All you need to do is set it up, turn it on, and let it do its job. Its compact design makes it easy to transport and attach to gas or charcoal grills, fire pits, and more for use. Now you can enjoy rotisserie-style chicken, beef, ribs, and more right at your campsite. Now here is the Orca stove. This amazing stove uses ultrasound nano-atomized technology to make outdoor cooking easier and more efficient. The Orca stove features an ultrasound microchip that atomizes the ethanol fuel, creating a super exquisite mist that provides 3 times the power of liquid ethanol. This means that you can cook your meals faster and more efficiently, saving you time and money while also reducing your impact on the environment. And it is much safer to use than traditional outdoor stoves. In addition to its impressive cooking capabilities, the stove also has a unique feature. The stove seat can be used as an alcohol sanitizer. This makes it a versatile and practical addition to any camping trip. Tired of lugging around multiple cooking gear for camping? Then be sure to check out the EC 2-in-1 Barbecue Grill and Stove Heater. Whether you're hosting a barbecue party, going on a camping trip, or enjoying a bonfire night, the EC has got you covered. With its detachable cooking tray, you can easily prepare all your favorite meats, veggies, and other specialties. And when you're done grilling, simply remove the tray and transform the gear into a stove heater or bonfire pit, keeping you cozy and warm all night long. But the EC isn't just convenient, it's also designed with ease of use in mind. The detachable cooking tray saves you time and effort, while the 304 stainless steel construction ensures safety and durability. And don't worry about complicated assembly. The gear's main frame consists of just 4 plates that easily slot together, making setup a breeze. Tons of cooking ware are available for camping, but none of them are as portable as the simple reel. As the name suggests, this innovative cookware is designed for space-conscious campers who want to pack light and still enjoy delicious meals in the great outdoors. Constructed from hard-wearing stainless steel, the simple reel cookware is built to last. Its patented latches on both sides keep its structure strong and heavy load resistant, ensuring that it won't collapse during use or while carrying in your backpack. And the best part? Once you're done cooking, the simple rear cookware can be collapsed down to a mere 3 cm tall disc in seconds. Its unique design allows you to keep it light without compromising on the experience, making it the perfect addition to your camping gear. This is no ordinary pot. This is the Orca pot, an all-in-one pot that you don't want to miss. This multi-purpose cast iron cookware set is designed especially for your convenience, making it a perfect fit for all your camping cooking needs. It is incredibly versatile and can be used as a frying pot, steaming pot, and more. It's the best tool for making delicious meals for yourself or a group of friends while out in nature. Thanks to the use of cast iron, it can be directly set on a campfire or used with a camping pot stand. This means you don't have to worry about packing any additional camping stoves or burners. Besides, the triple seasoned surface makes it nearly non-stick, making it easier for your cooking and cleaning processes. The Minipresso NS2 offers amazing espresso quality thanks to the use of NS capsules. These capsules are pre-measured, pre-ground, and pre-tamped with high precision, ensuring perfect preservation of all the flavors of fresh ground coffee. It allows you to quickly enjoy delicious espresso wherever you are. Whether you're at your campsite or on a hiking trail, you can take a break and enjoy a cup of espresso that will give you the energy you need to continue your adventure. So if you're looking for a portable and reliable espresso machine to add to your camp cooking essentials, the Minipresso NS2 is definitely worth considering. Camping without a good knife can ruin your overall cooking experience, and for this, you need the nCamp food prep knife. It's not like an average one in the market. This knife has a foldable design made specifically for food preparation. Whether you're grilling up some burgers in the backyard, enjoying a picnic at the park, or preparing meals on a camping trip, the nCamp food prep knife has got you covered. Let's not forget about its handle design. The ergonomic shape ensures a comfortable and secure grip, allowing you to use a variety of gripping styles with ease. Plus, it also features a truss-like structure beneath the wooden grip that helps maintain the strength and balance of the knife. So whether you're slicing through a steak or dicing up vegetables, you'll have the perfect tool for the job. Let's conclude with the LiONCooler Pro, which is a must-have during camping to keep your raw ingredients fresh. It doesn't require any ice. This means no soggy food or water dripping everywhere. The integrated compressor allows the cooler to function as a refrigerator or freezer, and it's designed to be portable and cordless so you can take it with you wherever you go. It has a powerful temperature control system that can maintain a steady temperature even in extreme environments. You can charge it in 3 ways using a solar charger, a DC charger, or an AC charger, depending on what's available to you. So get your hands on the LiONCooler Pro and say goodbye to food being stale. So that was our list of the 10 next-level camping cooking gear. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.